Yo. First order up, we've got a Starbucks. This is gonna be $8.25 going less than 4 miles. I wish every order was that easy. Walked in, it was just sitting there waiting for me. No red lights because it's too early for that. Familiar drop off, been there a few times. Just easy money. Okay, I haven't had an order in like hours. Only a slight exaggeration there. But finally got one. We've got Starbucks, $7 and some change going about 5 miles. Next order lined up right after this. We've got an IHOP, $10 and some change going about 6 miles.
It doesn't matter.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You as well. Next order just came in. We've got a Chick-fil-A, $9.25 going about 5.5 miles.
Dang, I thought I was perfect timing there.
We're working on it.
That's okay.
Thank you. This next order is not great, but I think I'm just gonna take it because it is slow today. This is a shop and deliver for Target. $10 going 4.5 miles, 5 items. Of course, they only had one of them. This. All right, here we go. We've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $9 and some change going 3.5 miles. Looks like 5 items.
I have more bins I have to bring out. I just haven't gotten them yet.
How much would you want for this?
50 cents.
You have change for $1? Oh, I'm just kidding. You can have the $1.
Oh, yeah, I got change. There you go.
I'd rather not carry it. Thank you, though.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Thank you.
Just just got the next order. This is gonna be for Black Rock Coffee. I believe it's at $8 going 2.5 miles. Leanna? Thank you. You too. Was not expecting that to be ready for me, but I'll take it. I don't even know how long it's been. I've just been sitting here replying to texts, but probably just gonna call it because it is super dead and I feel like I've made $0 today. Just got this Popeyes. This one's gonna be $8 going less than 2 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, I got you.
You too. Is there straw in here?
Yeah.
All right, I'm about ready to call it here. Current time is 11:14. Current total is like 79. And I have 3 Uber tips to come in, so probably close to $90, which is not very good, but it is what it is. I'm just trying to go home, hop back into bed and take a nap or something. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.